Calling all you investors and first-time buyers looking to build some serious sweat equity. On today's episode, we have a fully detached bungalow with a one-car garage and a full basement for under $400,000. Do I have your attention yet? All that and more on today's episode. Today I'm in Midland, and the property I'm about to show you is all about opportunity. Opportunity for investors to maybe find that perfect flip, or opportunity for first-time home buyers to put in a little work, break into the market, and build some serious sweat equity. Now let's talk about the location we're in first. We're within walking distance to beautiful downtown Midland and of course the beautiful shores of Georgian Bay. Not to mention we have a public elementary school just up the street from here, so within walking distance there as well. Now let's talk about what makes this opportunity unique. We have a fully detached bungalow here with a one-car garage, and something that really separates this one. There's a lot of homes of this size in the area that are slab on grade. This one has a full basement. So again, excellent opportunity here for investors or end users. Let's get inside and have a look. This is 398 Hannah Street. Welcome inside. Now, a floor plan like this lends itself to endless possibilities. And again, whether you're an investor or an end user looking to renovate, it can be a super simple renovation which will keep your costs low. On this level, we have two terrific sized bedrooms, a full bathroom, as well as living room, and this eat-in kitchen that I'm standing in right now that has direct access through a vestibule into the attached garage. Now in the basement, there's tons of potential down there as well. We have the opportunity for a third bedroom, and there's already a full bathroom downstairs as well. So again, this can maximize on your renovation potential. Situated on this quiet tree-lined street, surrounded by well-kept properties, certainly increase the investment potential on this property. Not to mention there's been recent updates to the roof and the furnace, so some of the bigger ticket items have already been solved for. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Simcoe County. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.